This is going to be a reading for the sign of Gemini. So what you guys can possibly expect. Okay, so let's take how is your person currently thinking about you. One card for Gemini. How is your person currently thinking about you? With Nine of Air, this person is overly restless on you. Okay, bottom card with the Star card. In the past, you guys could have tried to fix it. You guys could have tried to see if it had a future. But right now, you guys are going through a Tower moment. There could have been a breakup, shake-up, confusion, chaos, drama. Okay, if your connection is a good one where things are currently going well, then this is not your reading. But if your connection is something that I've described currently, then continue watching it. Okay, with Nine of Swords, your person is fearful. Okay, so what are they fearful of? So what are they stressing about? One card, what's the Gemini soulmate stressing about? So with Seven of Fire, they feel like you are distancing yourself after the past whatever fight you guys have had, or you are going to possibly keep or maintain distance from now on. With Seven of Cups, they also feel like you're going to distance themselves to move towards other options. Okay, in the past there was certainly a breakup, shake-up, a small break that you took from each other. Okay, so they feel majorly that you're going to basically keep a distance or maintain a distance to keep yourself open to other connections. Or other soulmates. Other connection would be wrong, but other soulmates, new options possibly. Okay, so what like what do they think you are up to? So what do they think you are up to? One card for what does Gemini soulmate think you are up to? Okay. With Magician, they majorly feel that you are moving on. Okay, you are basically staying open to other connections. One, all about beginnings. King of Fire, open to other relationships. Okay, I feel that your person sees you as someone who is wanting to move on, or has moved on, or is in the process of moving on towards something new in their life. He or she. Okay, so one card for what's really happening in your life. What's really happening in Gemini's life currently? We have a card with Three of Fire. You are definitely waiting for something. You are not so focused on the past, but I rather see you waiting on something solid. Okay, maybe you guys are finally done with the past. Maybe you guys are looking forward now, not really wanting to look back. Okay, top card we have here is Seven of Earth. It's like you guys have wasted a lot of time. For some of you, it could also be 7 months. For selected few of you, it could be 7 long years. Okay, I definitely feel that you feel that it's time for you to look elsewhere. Okay, give me one more card as to how do they think of you currently. How does Gemini soulmate think of Gemini currently? Maybe you guys are, some of you guys are manifesting new relationships, new connection, new soulmates, something that's going to be good for you in the long run. The past person did not really give you much. Okay, they did not have much to offer. And whenever they came towards you, things could never move to the next level. Even though last time you guys did try to see and wait and have faith, but right now I see that you guys have distanced yourself. How are they thinking about you? With Ace of Air, this person is wanting to communicate with you. With Four of Air, in the past, they could have taken a break from you, or they did something that caused you or forced you to take a break from them. Okay, take what resonates. But right now, I see them wanting to communicate with you. How they're thinking of you? They feel the urgent need to talk to you, to communicate with you. Okay, so one card for their energy towards you now. One card for their energy towards you now. So we have 10 of fire. So they are overly burdened. Okay, they cannot deal with this pressure now. Okay, a 10 of wands sometimes I look at as pressure. Their energy towards you, they are very burdened. They are fearful of losing you. They are fearful of having to face the consequences of their past action. Okay, with 8 of swords, they are majorly overthinking and they are stuck. In the past, I see page of water. So in the past, even if they came forward towards you, they could not really level up the connection. Okay, give me one more card as to their intentions towards you now. What are their intentions towards you? In terms of energy, I see them burdened. Okay, no kidding. With 5 of cups, 5 of water, intentions. This person is definitely right now missing you. Okay, and they feel the urgent need to reach out to you. Okay, with 5 of water, it is not a great card where someone is going to put in a lot of efforts. No, they are majorly missing you, and missing you is making them take a step forward. Okay, with page of air, I feel like right now this person is stalking you or trying to stalk you through social media. Okay, so one card for what action they're willing to take towards you, one take towards you. We already have a card. This is good. Hermit. So darling, to be very honest, 7 of water, there's still a lot of confusion. Okay, what's stopping them from coming towards you? What's really stopping them from coming towards you? Hermit card is not a card of action. It's rather a card of someone going within to think of a solution. Okay, with page of earth, okay, I see them communicating but taking their sweet time. I don't think they have the time, to be honest. Okay, like you won't give them that sort of time. But I do feel that your person is definitely wanting to talk to you. Queen of air, all swords, darling. So many of you guys could either be dealing with a water sign, some of you with a possible Virgo, some of you with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, some of you with your fellow air sign, possibly Libra. Okay, with 8 of earth, could also be Capricorn, darling. Okay, so whatsoever sign, I feel that your person will take their time before coming forward towards you, because right now they do not know how to approach you. Okay, one more card for what are they willing to offer you. Give me a card. With Emperor card, they will take they will take a strong step. In the past, they left you out in the cold, but right now, I see them willing to put in that effort. Emperor card is a card when it comes in the position of wanting to offer you, is they are willing to make things right with you. Okay, not a great they won't open up to the very extent of it, because Emperor is a very prideful person. No matter what's happening, they will not want to open up completely. Some of you could be dealing with a Taurus or a possible Leo as well, so take what resonates. Okay, but I see that they are wanting to partner up now. Okay, in terms of what are they wanting to offer you, I see them wanting to put in effort, at least effort. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you, one card for their current feelings towards you, please. Okay, current feelings, we have Messenger of air, that is Knight of Swords, and Justice. So when these two are present, this person is wanting to reach back in order to reinitiate the relationship, restart the relationship, trying to fix the relationship. Okay, possibly wanting a second chance. Okay, wanting to heal the relationship. Okay, one more card for how do they truly feel for you, or what do they truly have for you. This person is wanting to win you over again. Okay. With Star card, this person is still looking at you as something that is out of their reach. You could be out of their league as well. Like, you are way too good for them, man. I mean, that's how they see you. Okay, and they're still wanting to keep that hope and faith that this could last. Okay, they're still wishing for it. Okay, with 4 of earth, in no which way they're wanting to lose you. In the past, they were not very expressive. Still, I do not see them being very expressive, but they are very much willing and wanting to put in that effort now. Okay, so where is this connection moving forward for Gemini? Where is this connection moving forward for Gemini? We have two cards. We have Wheel of Fortune and we have 10 of Earth. Wheel of Fortune is good results. Basically, I still feel that for some of you, even if you do not want this past person, even if you do not want them, I still see something good coming in your life with the Sun and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, if you want this person, I feel majorly that there will be a basic stagnant phase where you wait and see what this person is up to, and you give them time, but it will take more than a month to get back on a proper track. But if you do not want the past person moving forward towards something new, I see success coming in. I see lots of finances coming towards you, like a lucky month or a lucky end of November for you. For many of you, I see financial gains, like literally. Okay, Sun, the Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Earth, extreme positive cards, darling. Okay, so yes, so currently what are they wanting from you? Currently what are they wanting from you? With 7 of Earth, they are wanting you to wait. Okay, they still want you to stay stuck on them, some messed up energy there, and they want you to still think of commitment with them, or still think long term of them. With 7 of Earth, they're definitely wanting you to be patient with them and still stay around. Okay, with 8 of Air, that is 8 of Swords, they still want you to stick around. Okay, like stay stuck. That sort of obsessed energy. Crazy shit, right? Yeah. So, what are they wanting to say to you in terms of messages? If they are wanting to say something, okay, we already have a card. Love messages. The problem is, for many of you, this person wanted an open relationship and you are not open for that. You are not open for an open relationship, and that caused problems for some of you. Okay. You are the best thing that happened to me in a long time. So they look at you as something way too good. Even if you are way too good, they were not really looking forward for a long-term commitment, because maybe they felt like they do not have much to offer yet, to be very honest. I'm truly sorry for my words and actions. Okay, that is the last card. Okay, sorry for my handwriting, it sucks, I know, but yeah, I hope this reading resonated with you. If it has, consider hitting the like button, guys. Support your channel, support your sign. As soon as your sign gets good, like good response, I'll consider giving it at least 2 to 3 extra readings every month. Okay, since now I do not have many Geminis with me, I only do once a month. But if I get a good response, if you've been good to me, I'll be good to you back. Okay, thank you so much, and see you guys. See you soon.